doing, man? Thanks for tuning in again. I appreciate that, most definitely. Before we go on with this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, comment below. Alright? That's what you need to do after the end of this video, please. That's gonna mean so much to me, definitely. So, I am super amped right now. Not gonna lie to you, mad amped. So, got some parts in the mail. Check it out. That right there is the Zl1 add-on kit. That's gonna go on the back right here, the side skirt, and then the front. Now, as I told you in my previous video, I got this off-fit lip right here. I'm gonna be taking that off, and I'm gonna be putting on that front splitter right there. It's gonna have the supporting rods that go from here to here. So we're gonna see how that looks. Yo, I can't even talk right now, yo. I'm so amped. I can't even talk. But what we're gonna do in this video, I'm gonna show you a few installation points on what you would need. And we're gonna get to it, man. We're gonna get right to it. I'm not gonna try to make this video too long. I'm just gonna try to get through it. And you guys just take this walk along with me, all right? If you don't already have one, you're gonna need a rivet gun. You're definitely gonna need that because the side skirts and the front splitter is held on with these rivets right here, okay? You're also gonna need drill bits. Get you a kit of drill bits so that you can drill into the fenders and the front, okay? And I'm gonna show you why in a minute. So, what the front lip comes with, you see these brackets right here? These actually bolt onto the radiator underneath the car. Like I said, we're gonna all take a walkthrough all together, all right? So now, the supporting rods also comes with thread locker. Check that out. And give a shout out to Zl1 Addons, man, for sending me this product. Now, I'm a little upset, and I'm gonna tell you why. I'm actually missing a part for this kit, but it's no big deal. I know they'll take care of it. Whatever, we'll just get it done, and we're just gonna still put it on. It's not anything where I can't mount the kit, but it still wouldn't give it that complete look, all right? So with that being said, it's hot. Look at this craziness. I'm sweating right now. Yo, with that being said, let's get right into this video, man. All right, guys. So now, the next step is, you wanna definitely put your car in jack stands. Get it high enough in the air so that you can see underneath the car, all right? So now, first step is, see these bolts right here? They're actually labeled. These are where you need to start at, these 4 bolts. So you see one, if we can focus, see it's 1, where we at? 2, 3, and then 4. All right, after that, what we're actually doing, we're removing the belly pan. That's why I'm telling you, that's what we're gonna do, all right? So, you see these screws here also? That's what we're gonna be removing, all right? Also, right here, right here, right here. Okay, there's a few push pins. So let me go ahead and mount the camera and let's get to it. All right, so now that you got the bottom belly pan all off, okay? I'm gonna show you the bolts that you need to actually, you're gonna actually have to make the holes a little bit wider to make the rivet seat, all right? Now, certain cars might be different. A Hellcat might be different. I'm working on a Dodge Daytona 392, so your radiator might be a little bit further forward or a different size, or this setup might be different underneath. I am not sure because I know it has a front mount intercooler and different things like that, or or heat exchanger, or whatever you want to call it. So, all right, so now the rivet that you want, it's a 3/8. It's like that. Also, like I said, you do need a rivet gun. All right, so I'm gonna test that out. Screws on just fine. Now, like I said, you're gonna want to widen this hole. You don't want to go too crazy, but and also too deep. Alright guys, so we ran into a little snag, man. I'm a little pissed, but at least it got resolved. So apparently they sent me a Chrysler 300 front splitter. So none of the holes lined up, and it's just disappointing, you know? It's just disappointing. I just wanted to get my car together and right, you know what I mean? Just for me, you know what I mean? But luckily, they said that they had the correct splitter in stock. So they said that they're gonna send it on Friday. So today is Wednesday right now. So I'm gonna still make this one video. So we're gonna go ahead and fast forward and whatnot till Friday, you know what I mean? And we'll see what's good, man. You know what I mean? Hopefully everything gets squared away. They send the right thing, you know, and we could take care of this, man, because honestly, I was super amped. Y'all saw me mad amped just to even put this on, just to see what this car looks like, you know what I mean? And it's just so disappointing. So at the end of the day, what you gonna do? You know, stuff happens. You just gotta roll with the punches, you know what I mean? You can't really get too upset or whatever like that, you know what I mean? Not gonna lie, I had my friggin' hopes all the way up. That's the problem, you know what I mean? But it is what it is, you know? We're gonna just wait until Friday, put on the whole kit, get everything right. You see I'm sweaty as hell, man. It's Florida. It's like 96 degrees outside in this garage. It's not a game. So we'll see what happens, man. I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. All right, what up, guys? Yo, so now it's Friday. Thank you so much, Zl1 Addons, man. Big shout out to them, because they actually overnighted this that front splitter to me. So, man, I'm happy now. I returned to happy old Nick at FASTMILE. You know what it is, man. So, what we're gonna do? I gotta lift the car up and get it jacked up. See, look at that, man. Give it everything good. But yeah, like I said, we gotta get the car jacked up in the air. Go ahead and put some jack stands on it, and then boom, we're gonna install this lip. Well, just go ahead and follow this video, man, if you want a little bit of basic instructions on how to install this lip, so that in case you want to purchase it in the future anyway. But the link is definitely gonna be in the description where I bought it from. And you know, let's take it there, man. So, bam. All right, guys. Also, I installed this the side splitters and the rear splitters. Okay. Now, to actually do these, they're actually held on by rivets. So you will need a 1/4 inch drill bit to drill through underneath the body, and you also need a rivet gun to hold the rivets in. Okay. So it's a real simple, real easy process. But right now, what I'll do, I'll get underneath the car and I'll show you how the rivets look underneath the car and how it's actually done. But yeah, I did that, and I think it came out pretty sharp. Like, you know, obviously I was missing my front splitter, you know what I mean? But now that we got that in the mail, we're good, man. So let's go ahead and install this bad boy. My bad, guys. So my camera died while I was doing the recording of the install. I didn't realize. I was talking away, doing all type of craziness, and my camera died. It's crazy. But I'm gonna just give you guys the finished product of it, and just kind of give you a walk around on what's going on, man. I kind of messed up this video very bad, so you guys gotta forgive me, man. Hopefully other projects that I have coming up soon, you know, I'm definitely make sure that my camera is fully charged so that we can get it right, because that's big embarrassing. Forgot about that, man. All right. Give a very, very big shout out to Matt over at Zl1 Addons, man. Without them, this wouldn't be possible. They literally overnight my front lip because they sent the wrong one in the first place, but they overnighted it to me, no questions asked, made sure that I was ready and good to go, you know. So big shout out to them, definitely appreciate it, man. Thousand times, man. Definitely thank you guys, man, for real. You guys know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man.